Go ahead. So we're starting with at least one, and every day he's adding, he bought 3 more of them. So every day, so we're buying 3 more, so it'd be 3x, and then plus at least 1, and our total is going to be our y. So it's going to be y is what? What's our symbol?
Would be less than or equal to?
So you need at least. So if I need at least $20 to go to the movies, do I want less than? More than. Yeah, more than or equal to. Perfect. Okay.
I almost had that in standard form.
So for me, I like to graph it before I try to pick my points. So if we leave it, everything is scale of 1, my y-intercept is going to be at what?
1.
1.
Can you shoot the paper down?
Yeah. And therefore, is this going to be a segment or array?
I don't know. Ray?
Array, because my slope is positive. And then I'm going to go up how many?
1.
What's my slope?
3.
3. So up 3 and over 1. And there's my line. And which way am I going to shade?
To the right?
Above or below?
Oh, above or below? Above?
Above, because it's greater. Okay. Could you have changed your scale?
Yeah.
You could have. You don't need to, but you could have. You could have to, so you could plot those other points. So what points are going to be in that shaded region? So if you put that point into the equation, it's going to give you a true statement. It's not going to be false. So what do y'all think the answer is?
Not D.
Yeah, D's not right.
D's not right. D's easy because we can see it.
C's not right.
C you can see also.
Yeah, so it's B and A. Or no.
It's either A or B. So what is 3 times 7?
3 times 7, 21.
21 plus 1 is
22.
22. So is 23 greater than equal than 22?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you had put 5 in, 3 times 5 is 15. So 11 is not going to be greater than 15 plus 1. Correct?
Yes.
That would equal 16. So that's a false statement. So A is correct. So you either plug it in, or if you can visually see it, that makes it a little bit easier. Any questions of why the others are not it?
Oh,
Okay.
no questions.
Number 2. So he's deciding to purchase some Carazes and a laundry, some X and Y's, and he plans to buy a total of no more than 8 items. So is he buying one item or both items?
8 items.
Yeah, but possibly a both. So write an inequality showing the above constraints. So what did y'all get?
X plus Y is less than or equal to 8.
Very good.
Pretty good.
So less than or equal to, so no more than, you can't, it can equal 8, but you can't have more than 8. So could you have 0 of one or the other?
Good.
Yeah. And that's what we're going to be graphing is the 0 of one or the other. So if y equals 0, what does x equal?
Anything, any whole number less than 8.
8. Or y equals 8. So our intercepts, I like to graph it before I answer part 2. So our intercepts are going to be 8 and 8. So this is not array, but a segment. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8. And so if I put in the origin, the 0, 0, is 0 less than 8?
Yes.
Yeah, so shade towards it. Okay? which pair of numbers are in the relationship? So this is
4 and
much
0.
easier. Yeah.
6 and 4 aren't.
So 4 plus 0 is definitely less than 8. All the other numbers are added together are greater than 8.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah. Okay, questions?
No questions?
Okay, number 3. This one's a little tricksy, and this is one that I will often miss because I don't read close enough. Anyone want to share the equation that y'all got?
X plus Y.
Y is less than, or X plus Y is greater than or equal to 4.
Negative 4.
No.
Negative 4.
Anyone else?
Oh.
So he sells no less than what?
4.
For what? Both items or one item?
Let's go these.
How many items is that?
1.
One.
Less than 4.
So do we have an X? Do we
No,
have
so it'd just be Y is less than or equal to 4.
no less
No.
than?
Oh no, that's not my bad.
So no less than, it's gonna be Y
Is it
and 4.
4. No, it's just 4.
So no less than is not less than, it's what? Caleb, what'd you get? Number 3. So what is no less than? What's the symbol for no less than? Greater than or
Greater than.
less than?
It's greater than.
Greater than or equal to. Okay, so no less than is greater than equal to. So be careful, and after this sentence, make sure you read that one clearly. Make sure it's not just one item. So give one impossible pair number. So what would be impossible?
0, 0.
0, 0.
Ah.
Is there, and there's a lot of different answers. So you just need your Y value to be less than 4. So
I know, would it be greater
2,
than 4?
1.
Yeah, no, I see.
No, impossible would be a
Yeah.
false answer. Okay, so segment array.
A,
Mm-hmm. And horizontal or vertical?
horizontal.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And boom. Which way are we gonna shade?
Up.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yippee! Yay.
That's not recording?
That's really
Yeah. Okay, so